Some are praising the president, and for many it's life-changing, but the strict rules and regulations of this policy means many are still not eligible. Joining me to discuss local reaction is my guest, Lilia Velasquez. She's a San Diego attorney specializing in immigration and nationality law. Thanks for being here, Lilia.
Oh, thank you for having me.
So tell me what it was like in your office Friday after this announcement was made.
It was frantic all day long. Ever since the announcement came out in the morning, people called. I mean, on the one hand, I'm very happy that called. But, you know, it was grandparents, parents, children, relatives. They thought it was a general type of benefit, you know, like amnesty back in the 1980s. But we told them that no, it only applies to young kids or people under 30 who have completed high school, who meet certain criteria. And so many of them were disappointed, or they believed that if their kid could benefit, then they could benefit as dependents, which is also not the case because the memo outlining the benefit specifically excludes any dependents.
So what was that like then, to have to tell somebody maybe 33 years old or somebody 63 years old, sorry, this doesn't apply to you?
They are very, very sad. They feel, why didn't this come, 3 years ago? Why did Obama wait 3 years to do something this positive for the community? And I think, to be honest, is that the Congress had been debating the issue for more than a decade. The DREAM Act has been introduced numerous times, and a couple of times it has come very close to an agreement, and then it dies again, and so then it gets reintroduced. So maybe Obama was thinking, let's see if the Congress can get this thing approved, because he would have greater force than just have a prosecutorial discretion policy.
I want to talk a little bit about the politics involved, but first, let's just sort of explain the difference between what this policy says and what the DREAM Act that we've talked about would have done.
Well, the difference is that this is just a policy, so it doesn't have the weight of congressional legislation. It can be taken away, can be revoked, even by the Obama administration. But certainly if Mitt Romney gets elected, then he's already said on the record, I am going to veto it, I'm going to revoke it. Now he's changed his posture. He's saying, I don't know what I'm going to do, but what Obama did was wrong. And so with amnesty back in the 80s, everybody benefited who met the requirements. Here, it's only a segment of the 11 million undocumented people that we have, which is the young kids, many of them infants, who were brought to this country. This is the only country they know. They feel they're Americans. They think like Americans. And yet, when it comes time to graduate from high school, to apply for a driver's license, to get a job, they realize, I have no status. I'm illegal. And many of them get discouraged. I've had many families bring me their children to my office. Can you please tell my son, can you please tell my daughter if there's any hope that something can be done to fix the situation, because now I feel responsible. I'm the one who violated the law. They were innocent kids. And so the parents are really torn. But the decision that they made to bring their kids here without documents, the kids did not violate the law, the parents did. And so what this policy is, we have a vulnerable group of kids who are bright, who are in school. Let's do something about that. Let's bring them in. Let them get out of the shadow. Let's benefit from the education that we have already given them. So it makes perfect sense. I think the public as a whole, they are in favor of this policy, even though it doesn't have the same weight as a regular, piece of legislation. It is the politicians who are very angry with what Obama has done.
We're going to be speaking with Congressman Bill Bray in just a moment, who opposes this decision by the Obama administration. You already touched on it. This could be reversed if we have a new administration. Many have criticized the president for saying, questioning his timing. This is politics. This is about trying to sort of woo the Latino vote. Is that not the case?
Of course it's the case. It's always about politics. It's always about, getting the Latino vote or the gay vote or some conservative vote. Immigration is one of those topics that is visceral, that people can say, I'm against that, and they don't know why they're against it, but they want to be against it because it sounds right. But when they look at an individual case, like this student who was in tears, calling, saying, this is my dream.
We had on the show on Friday.
Right,
yeah.
media, and I want to make my parents proud, then you can see wow, why deny this person that opportunity? It benefits them and it benefits the country.
And we're out of time, but I do want to send people to our website where they can see that interview with the young woman, and that's at kpbs.org. Lilia, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.